Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Fidelity Archer MSA. Alright, if you've been wondering how to set up a Fidelity Archer MSA, this video is definitely for you. It's going to be a really quick one, just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to log into your Fidelity account, and you can do that online on the website, or you could log in through the mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged in, you just want to click on investment products and then Archer MSA, and there you're going to initiate the Archer MSA setup process, where you're going to provide the required information. Of course, that's going to be your employer's details, and then just choose the Archer MSA options, and then you're going to confirm the Archer MSA details, and from there on you can monitor the Archer MSA activities. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Fidelity Archer MSA. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next